Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to dropship on TikTok with Aliexpress. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I only have this particular products, and if I want to actually add some more products on my actual TikTok store, what I can do is I can actually use dropshipping. So in order to actually install an Aliexpress dropshipping platform, you can head over and expand these apps and services. And then once you have expanded this, click on this app store, and then from in here you can click on this search app, search in here for drop shipping. And as you can see, we have in here a lot of search results. So for this search results, we have CJ, we have SUP, and also these few things right here. I recommend you to just actually install the CJ dropshipping. So click on this install now, and then it will show you the app details as well as the installation window right here. So in here, let's just head over and click on this confirm. Click on this confirm to install, or you can also put in here first your contact email as well. Click on confirm, and then once you have done that, this will load like this. Now it will show you this authorization, and by installing this application, you're actually authorizing all of these things right here. So head over and click on this authorize option, and then once you have done that, this will load like this, and as you can see, it's been authorized. So click on this done option right here, and then after that, this will load your TikTok shop, and then it will actually redirect you to the CJ dropshipping site. So head over and try to actually make this happen. So if you're having this option right here or this actual error, then you can head over and then just refresh your site and register your own account. So for this one, let's head over and click on this register option or to the sign in option if you already have an account. So let's head over and try to sign in to my CJ account, and I will use in here my Google account. So I have already signed up, and under our store right here, we have in here our TikTok shop. If we click on our TikTok shop right here, we can actually open the authorize. So let's head over and click on this add store option right here and click on and just try to scroll down until you can see this OK note. So if you try to click on this OK, this will redirect you to your TikTok shop seller center again, wherein you should be able to authorize this. So you can choose in here an account type that you want. So for example, let's choose in here this Asia seller. And then you can choose what kind of seller you are on your TikTok shop. So for example, for me, I'll choose Philippines and click on next. And then once I have done that, this will direct my TikTok shop onto a new page. So as you can see, instead of renew right here, we have now this renew option instead of install option. And then this will redirect you back to your CJ dropshipping. And then as you can see right here, let's just try to redirect it again. And then as you can see right here, let's try to reauthorize this, and once it's been authorized, you should be able to see this. Next thing you need to do is you just need to head over and look for the actual product that you want to dropship. So for example, let's dropship right here men's clothing, and let's choose in here men's suit and blazer. So there's actually a lot of products that you can choose from on this CJ dropshipping. Some are from Aliexpress, and they also have this particular things that you can source for this. So let's, for example, use or choose this particular denim jacket. Click on this list option right here. And then once you have done that, this will open this new tab right here, and you can actually list their particular product. So let's just wait for this right here, and then this will actually direct you to a new page wherein you can see in here the listing. So this is what it will look like. So as of right now, we are connected on our Shopify, so you can choose the store that you want to actually add in here. So make sure that you are actually connected to your TikTok store in order to add this particular product from in there. So once you're done with that, you can actually just head over and then change in here the variant pricing. So for example, click on this recommended listing price, and you have this actual thing right here. So for example, let's list it for 2,500. And you should be able to see this, so click on OK and they will be updated. So you can head over and click on this list it now. Another option that you can do is you can head over in here again to your CJ dropshipping, and then for this, scroll down until you can see the source more. So you can see in here the option for go to Aliexpress. So let's click on this go to Aliexpress right here. Click on this install right here in order to actually install the CJ Chrome extension. Once you have done this, this will open in here a new tab wherein you can see this drop shipping for CJ. Click on add to Chrome right here. Click on add extension, and then this will download the extension on your actual store or on your actual thing. So as you can see, this has been added, and when we try to click on that CJ dropshipping extension that we have, we should be able to see some few things. So I head over right now to an Aliexpress product page, and let's click on the CJ dropshipping option, and first try to log in. So once you have been logged into your CJ dropshipping on the actual extension itself, you should be able to see this right here. So in here you can see this particular thing, and you can choose a currency that you want to use this for. So we have in here this USD, and we have in this the sourcing for that. So we can actually head over to the AliExpress itself and look for some more things or some more products that you can add. So let's add this one. So we have this product, and you can also see this toggle for CJ. So click on this particular toggle wherein you can actually post sourcing to your CJ dropshipping. Now click on this particular thing, and as you can see, this will load, and you can just head over and click on this in order to post the sourcing type under your CJ dropshipping. So let's head back again to our CJ, and then let's refresh this right here. So once we have refreshed this, we should be able to see it right in here. So another option that you can do is you can head back, and you can get the request for sourcing by heading over and copying the link for this. And in here, you can enter in here a request for this particular thing. Instead of link, you can also head over and copy the description itself, and then paste it right in here, and then put in here the target price, which is around 380. So let's click on this request for sourcing, and then this will open this new CJ dropshipping window. So you can also view particular details on the specific product on your AliExpress, and whatever thing that you want to actually add, you can do this itself. So for example, let's click on this one, and then this will open in here a new tab. Now head over and then just click on this extension right here, and then you can see in here the sourcing request. So what you can do is you can head over and click on confirm, and then as you can see, this will submit the request. Now in here, let's click on the extension again, and then let's just wait for this to load. And as you can see right now, we have one pending sourcing request. Now on that one pending right here, we can see that this will open in here a new tab, and on that new tab we can see the sourcing request that we have made just earlier. This is that product that we have actually sourced, and then you can actually chat or submit a ticket right here in order to add this to your TikTok shop. Now in here, you can head over in here again to find products, and in here you can see some more products that you can add in here on your TikTok shop, and you can actually add them from there. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We'll try our best to answer. Thanks.